You're watching the Noble Farms YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and support the channel. Thanks for watching.
Hey everybody, welcome back. We're out in the barn here this morning again, doing a check around, making sure everything is okay. Just want to show you the progress on chickens this morning. We have them moved down into the coop now on the floor, so all the chicks are together. So just want to give you a little update, and these little suckers are sure growing. I can tell you, they grow really fast, so seems to be doing quite well. We did lose a few while we had them up in the brooder boxes. Once we moved them down to the floor, we haven't lost any since, so they've been doing really well. So we'll get a little video of how they're doing in here. So this looks pretty good. So looking inside here now, they're all waiting for me to open the door. We'll take a little walk inside. They just want to scurry out through the door as fast as they can go. So, as you can tell, they look pretty good. We really like this water system. Keeps the water pretty clean. You won't be climbing on it. And we use those water jugs. And we just cut holes in 5-gallon buckets, and just big enough for them to stick their heads in. So the one you're looking at way over with the white bottom, that's a water one. So we have a couple water, the rest water jugs, the rest are they're all feed. So. But yeah, they're looking quite nice. Here's a turkey for you. Never lost one turkey this year, so that's good. Yeah, they seem to be doing really well in here. I think there should be just shy of 300 still in here, so. Yeah, doing really good. So we'll keep you updated anyway on how they grow and all the way through. We'll give you another update once we let them out into the barn. Once they get a few more feathers on them, we'll be letting them out into the barn, and you can see them out there, how they enjoy running back and forth. But yeah, we just take those water jugs. These are the feed ones. This one's getting pretty empty there now, so we just pour the feed in like that, and down through the top. And we have the holes cut in, and then the bottom of the bottle, or the top of the bottle, turned over down into another bottle that's cut off a bit with the holes drilled through the side. So as you can see, get a better view on these ones here. Some old jugs we had kicking around the farm here, and yeah, just cut the holes in them like that, and very minimal wastage on this. That's what I like about it. You can still see the little black pecks here, that's the sunflower seeds that they've been throwing out because it's a little too big for them yet, really. But we're just switching them over now into the little bigger feed. So yeah, so that's what we got.